Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin with essentials. Verify your phone runs MIUI 12 or later and that you are signed into a My account. Once confirmed, connect to Wi-Fi so large images sync smoothly. Now open Settings, tap Wallpaper Carousel, and grant the app storage and network permissions so it can download and rotate wallpapers. You're starting the process immediately. Do not skip permissions. Without them, the carousel cannot fetch or cache images. After granting access, tap Enable to start the first automatic download and rotation. Once done enabling, configure where images come from. You choose between Xiaomi featured feeds, your local albums, or installed third-party packs. Pick one or combine sources for variety. Next, set rotation frequency, per unlock for maximum change, daily for moderate rotation, or manual if you want control. Make sure to select download behavior, Wi-Fi only to save mobile data, or allow cellular when you need fresh images on the go. Finally, preview a few wallpapers to confirm aspect ratio and cropping settings match your home screen. To finish, enable rotation for home screen, lock screen, or both, and adjust preview cropping so images fit 16:9 or other ratios cleanly. Once set, let the carousel run for a few cycles to verify behavior. If images stop updating, force a sync, clear the wallpaper carousel cache, and restart the phone. That often fixes stalled downloads. If problems persist, make sure permissions, My Account sign-in, and background data are allowed. Those three are usually the cause. Then re-enable the carousel and monitor for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.